Next week is likely to be a big week for both share market and cryptocurrency investors, as we're likely to see 3 cryptocurrency ETFs launch on share markets in Australia. 2 will be Bitcoin ETFs and 1 will be an Ethereum based ETF. One of the Bitcoin ETFs will be provided by Cosmos Asset Management, who is partnering with the Canadian based fund manager Purpose Investments. So when you buy the Cosmos Bitcoin ETF, you're effectively buying shares or units in the Canadian-based Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which very importantly is physically backed one for one rather than being a synthetic investment. ETF Securities is the other provider who will provide both an ETF for Bitcoin and an ETF for Ethereum next week. The ticker for the Bitcoin ETF will be EBTC, and for Ethereum it would be EETH. And they're partnering with Swiss-based ETF provider 21 Shares, who provide both custody and storage services. But this is just the start. We're likely to see more cryptocurrency ETFs from other providers, with the likes of Beta Shares getting into it shortly, as they've indicated as well. And it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs we're likely to see more of into the future. I think that we'll also see other coins with ETFs, such as Solana and Cardano, in the future, as regulators and financial services participants and investors all become more comfortable with the idea of further cryptocurrency ETFs on share markets. So being able to buy physically backed cryptocurrency through share markets is a really big development for cryptocurrency adoption. Previously, to buy a cryptocurrency coin or token, you'd have to set up an exchange account. And that didn't suit everybody, because they'd have to firstly choose a provider, set it up, transfer money in, purchase the coins, understand how it all works. It was all a bit of a process. Whereas now, investors will be able to use their existing CommSec, E-Trade, self-wealth accounts through share markets to be able to buy cryptocurrency coins, which is fantastic for those people wanting to do so. It has a few benefits. So there'll be less administration headaches. So rather than, when it comes to tax time, having to grab a cryptocurrency exchange report, a stockbroking tax report, if you're purchasing your crypto coins through your stockbroking account, you can just refer to the one stockbroking tax report to be able to do your tax return, rather than having to grab data from different sources. And also, some people are a little bit skeptical, or they're a little bit fearful around the security of cryptocurrency being held through various exchange accounts. So being able to do that through your stockbroking account might be a little bit more appealing to some people. But of course, you need to maintain the security of your stockbroking account. So not only do we have, at the moment, we have some cryptocurrency and blockchain ETFs on the share market. We've got Beta Shares, they've got the Crypto Innovators ETF, and ETF Securities have the FinTech and Blockchain ETF. So both of those invest into companies that are involved in the cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosystem, such as exchange providers and cryptocurrency miners. But the difference with what's happening next week is that it's not companies that you'll be buying, it's actual exposures to coins, with the first 2 being Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is really interesting and really fantastic, in my opinion, that we're able to use traditional financial services markets in terms of share markets to be able to buy this new evolving asset class being cryptocurrency. So I think it's really good and interesting for everybody involved in cryptocurrency.